What is up, YouTube? Back with another video. This one's quick this time. Just got a delivery I wanted to share with you guys. I'm really excited about it. Right now, as you can see, my bike doesn't have a seat. New Saddlemen touchdown. I was running the Saddlemen SDC diamond stitch for, I want to say, going on 4 years, man. Love that seat. No issues with it at all. Was a great seat. Real excited. Let's see what I got. Did go with the SDC again, but this time, as you can see, with the red SDC patch, white Saddlemen stitching, tuck and roll SDC. This is fairly new and haven't seen really many bikes with it out there. I want to say, boy, Eric was one of the first to have the seat and loved the way it looked even more. So I decided to get that seat. I sold my seat, which I actually got a pretty nice piece of change for it after running it for so long. So this one retails for $500 on the website. I went with the red patch. I believe that was $20 to go with the red patch versus the standard white. And then I think the white stitching was free. I think they let you go white, black, and one more. I did want to switch with the patch. I wanted to go with a red patch, white lettering, just to offset, you know, instead of going red. I don't like all that red shit everywhere. So I think with the white lettering and the red patch will match my paint with the red flames, white underlaid base, or whatever you want to call it. Like I said, bike is filthy. Bear with me. But let's get this thing out of the bag. All right, out of the wrapper, off the bat, this carbon looks amazing. It feels so good, man. I really enjoyed this seat when I took Eric's his bike for a spin, and then up top I went with just black gripper. No pattern, no diamond stitching, nothing. I wanted it to be kind of simple, but be kind of like a statement piece, right? So it looks elegant, no colors splashed everywhere, but just a hint of the white Saddlemen, and then the hint of the red SDC patch, of course, to match the bike. And then the all black seat, just a clean look, and that's what I was going for with this. Just wanted a clean look. Quality looks amazing as always with Saddlemen. As you can see, got that nice felt, kind of like a rug feel under here. And man, like I said, the other SDC I ran with the diamond stitching, I had that thing for going on 4 years. No tears, no rips, none of this shit came apart, none of these rivets and none of that stuff. The rubber grommets here are little spacers, so it rides kind of on the frame, kind of absorbs and all that. None of that stuff came apart, no issues at all. So like, Saddlemen, man, top quality, you can't go wrong with it. Let me turn this around here, and let's get it mounted on the bike. I also got that seat, what the fuck is this thing called? Seat security screw and the little cover plate here. I didn't have it on my other seat. Didn't really have any issues with it, but you know, got the little felt also for it, for the bracket protector here, so it doesn't scratch up or whatever. But I don't even know if I'll use it, but we'll see. Seat is on. Like I said, bike is filthy. It's just a test fit. I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up here tomorrow morning. I'm gonna wash this thing, wash those wheels and motor, everything, get this thing cleaned down, get that Daytona funk off of it. But let me know what you guys think of the seat. How are we looking? Yay or nay? sneak peek real quick. If you recall, spoke on the advanced stuff. I had some stuff that I had in the works back home in the Daytona video, if you watched that. Just a sneak peek. There'll be a video on that coming up here soon. But first, let's get this bike washed. This is about to close out on y'all, but again, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys tuning in once again. Catch you on the next one.